Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ubheka-ke lo uduma kodwa ubhodla bekhotha. As you can see today, I will be unpacking my Yoco machine, which is must be point. So as you can see, there are three of them. There is a small one, there is the one that looks like a smartphone, and there is the one that has a slip. They come in different prices, in different roles, or I can say the action that they can take. The three machines that you can buy for your business, and they work perfectly fine for business, especially for online payments. So what you need to do is to click on the link below. Just click on the link below, and then this link will take you straight to Yoco website, where you are going to request to buy one of their cards, and they deliver straight to you. It takes like 3 days, and you pay when you receive the card. That's what I like. A lot of services that we offer, and some of them you're going to know. Let's go. So this is the package. As you can see, it has my name on it, Begashang DBN. Yeah, that is the most important part. It has my name on it. Alright, let's go. Let's open it up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking. Yes. As you can see, the box, it is well packaged. I really like that. Great box, great selection. Oh, there is the manual. Comes with the manual. Yoco, it's a combo card machine. Let us open it up and see what is happening inside. Oh wow, look at that screen. Alright, let me see. Yes, this is where you tap your card. There you can tap. Or the size, it's exactly like the size of the case you calculate. You can tap, but here it has the camera as well as a torch and the speaker. Alright, let's go. That is where you insert your card, you swipe there, and it also accepts online payments on your website. You don't need to have a website, you just need a link. You can generate a link and send it to people that you want them to pay you online. As you've already seen me inserting the card, swiping, and you can also tap. Oh, those are stickers that you can just paste on the shop of at the wall of your shop, or where people can see it that you are accepting cards. They are MasterCards and Vista cards. Alright, let's go, Yoco. Let's go. Spell so gcina ke lesi. Sika. That's how we celebrate these days when something makes us happy. There is a USB cable to charge the machine. There is a holder for a machine, but we're going to use it for something else. Hey, those are my office keys. Yeah, and then we had to make sure that they are safe. My office keys. Alright, let's go. Kupuga SMT. This is also the most important part in the video. Let's go. Enough with the keys. Right, so that's all. That's just the box now. It's empty. I don't know why I don't believe it was empty. Right. So let us now open our Yoco machine. In the shasha. Right, it's opening. Let us see. Searching for 4G network. It has a unlimited data SIM card in it, which is MTN. Unlimited. It means I won't need Wi-Fi. You look at that. Smart Move Team Pty Ltd. That is my company. Oh yes. Alright. We're now moving. I saw my name and now I'm seeing my company name. I'm so excited. As long as it has my name, my company name, that means it is linked with me. I'm so happy to see that. Right, I'm just checking here. Okay, it has 2 SIM card as well as with Vodacom. I don't know what am I going to do with that Vodacom SIM card. Right, so this is me trying to check if it does accept the money transactions itself, right? So it says to insert a card because I've requested for my customer to pay 500 rand for me. I now had to pay have to hit the pin. Right, so let's go. Okay, paying 500 rand, processing payment approved. That means my business account will be receiving that 500 rand. How cool is that? So cool. Thank you. Just go to the link below. There is a link where you can look for further information, or where you can order your card machine. The link is below.